Hi, this is Bronxboro President Ruben Diaz Jr. So come and check me out this week on Artists Exposed with Tim Moss.
I am here with the fabulous and absolutely gorgeous Chad Michaels. How are you, honey?
I'm wonderful, darling. How are you?
Oh, you are. Hi there.
Thank you.
Look at
Yeah, I like that.
Like a camera.
One-man band.
Exactly. Well, this man needs no introduction. We're here with John Leguizamo. How you doing, buddy?
Doing great, man. Look at this night. Look at that.
I know. We are at the 17th Annual Glam Awards, and look who is here, my buddy, Michael Musto. I love you.
I love you back. You've known me that long to know I'm that kind of dude.
Absolutely, and this dude is the original cowboy from the Village People, Randy Jones. How are you doing?
Timmy.
Welcome back to Artists Exposed with Tim Moss. We are at the 2015 Glam Awards, and look who we have here, the fabulous one and only Bianca Del Rio. How are you, my dear?
I'm very well. I'm excited to be hosting tonight the Shindig. It's the 17th Annual Glammy Awards.
Hi, this is Robert Cuccioli, and you can hear me this weekend on Artists Exposed with Tim Moss.
Absolutely.
This is the one and only Laverne Cox.
How are you? I'm good. It's good to see you again. How have you been?
I have been absolutely wonderful. Thank you. We are at the New Boots and Saddles for the Get Out Awards, and look who I ran into. She's just arriving. She needs no introduction. The fabulous Robin Bird. How are you, my dear?
I'm excellent. Thank you, Tim.
Good. Welcome back to Artists Exposed with Tim Moss. I am here with the one and only Sam Champion. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Tim. I'm old.
Oh, please, honey.
And other than that, I'm moving well.
Welcome back to Artists Exposed with Tim Moss. I am here with the one and only beautiful Linda Carter. How are you, honey?
Good. I'm great, thank you. My feet are killing me.
Oh, I'm sure. Well, this is the end of the line. You're right here, and it's time to just party after this.
Thank you.
Welcome back to Artists Exposed with Tim Moss. And look who we have here, the host of Cocktails and Classics on Logo, Michael Urie. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you, Tim. How are you?
I'm wonderful. What a wonderful party here.
Oh, it's really nice.
We are here with a true drag racer, Carmen Carrera. How are you, honey bun?
I'm amazing.
Isn't this fabulous here?
Oh, it's beautiful here, and the hotel is like stunningly gorgeous.
Oh, isn't it?
Yes.
Welcome back to Artists Exposed with Tim Moss. We are at the Monster for Get Out Magazine's pageant, and look who I ran into, Peppermint.
Hey!
And Sherry Vine.
Hi, Tim.
How are my babies?
Fantastic. I'm so excited to be here.
Look who is here, the fabulous Paige Turner. How are you, my dear?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
Oh my God, me too.
It's you are a big star now because you were on Billy on the Street.
Oh yeah.
Hi, I'm Retanya Alda, and I'm the guest at Artists Exposed with Tim Moss.
The winner of RuPaul's Drag Race Season 5, the fabulous Jinx Monsoon. How are you, honey bun?
I am, I'm just doing wonderful now that I've had some vodka.
Oh, yeah. Of course, I'm Tim Moss, and this is the one and only, the fabulous and gorgeous Julie Budd. How are you, hon?
I'm great. It's terrific to see you.
Oh, it's so wonderful to see you.
Hey, what's up? My name is Khalid Rivera, and you're watching Artists Exposed.
Welcome back to Artists Exposed with Tim Moss. We are at the Glam Awards, and look who is here, the fabulous Ari Kiki. How are you, honey?
How you doing, Tim? Hi, everybody.
And I'm here with the fabulous Margot Channing.
Hey, kids. How are you?
I love Margot Channing.
I love being on Artists Exposed. I always, want to...
Now stop exposing.
I do.